Hello and good evening from Issan, Thailand. So from time to time, I do get questions regarding how you can protect your property if you build a house in Issan, Thailand, or anywhere over here in Thailand. So I always had this question in my mind. So when I met a lawyer, I asked him this very same question, and this was the response from the lawyer. So watch this video till the end if you also have questions regarding how you can protect your property, your assets over here in Thailand. So watch this video till the end, and this video will be helpful for you. So hello once again, John. So I had one more question. Like many people say, you can buy anything in Thailand, but you cannot own it. So like they say, if you buy land, put in your wife's name, you buy car or something, but in the end you don't get anything. So is there a way to protect your property? Like if somebody comes and buys things over here with his partner, is there any way that that person can protect his property and assets over here in Thailand?
If you or your partner has assets in Thailand, it's always a really good idea to get a last will and testament. The reason I say that is, one, it makes it clear if someone passes, and unfortunately we all do, where that property is going to go to. It's particularly important if you are not married to your partner. So your boyfriend, girlfriend, live-in partners, whatever the case may be. If that person passes and you're not married, and they don't have a last will, it falls to line of succession, which means it goes to mother, father, brothers, sisters, aunties, uncles, children. You as a partner do not fall into line of succession, so you could essentially lose everything. So if you're not married, very good idea to get a last will for your Thai partner and yourself to make it clear where your property is going to go. Again, if you're married, still a very good idea because it makes it clear to your family members, to your loved ones, who's going to get what, how do you want to be buried or cremated, how do you want things to be divided amongst your beneficiaries. Having last will makes it a lot easier because there is a court process in Thailand. Unlike many Western countries, you produce a last will, you just deal with it. Not here. With or without a last will, you have to go to court, you have to get a court order to say that the executor is empowered by that order to deal with your estate. So where you have assets, money, cars, land in either your name or your partner's name, get a last will. It's one of the most important documents you will ever have in Thailand.
Alright, so it's mostly for people who are married and also not married, so they can protect their land.
Indeed, even
and
if you're
everything
single,
assets.
and a lot of people here, especially down in Pattaya, are single and they have condominiums, they have bank accounts. Again, how do their family handle that when there's no last will? Families could be in America, India, throughout the world.
Right.
How do they access that? Get yourself a last will, make it clear, makes it far easier for the families as and when you pass. Accidents happen, illnesses happen, getting old happens. Get the document done. We can supply it in Issan or Pattaya or remotely all over Thailand via email for 6,000 Thai baht.
And if somebody wants to contact you, they can contact you over here in Pattaya at Anglo Siam Legal.
Indeed.
And in Issan at Issan Lawyers, right?
Correct. And we can handle the wills remotely. You can be anywhere in the world, anywhere in the country. We can gather the information by email. We can have video conferences to discuss it with you. All our wills are done in English and Thai for clarity. And if you're a UK citizen, we can do a UK last will for you if you need that too.
Alright, so as we are talking about relationships, can you tell a little bit about marriage visa as well? Because you do marriage visa also, right?
Marriage visa, yes. So if you're married to a Thai national, the financial requirement we spoke about before is reduced from 800,000 if you're on a retirement visa to 400,000 if you're married. Same system works. A couple of months before you go for your yearly extension, 400,000 in the bank, or the next financial year you must put in 45,000 per month each and every month to qualify that way. So similar to the retirement visa, but you do not need to have health insurance, so it's an easier system. You've got to put in more documentation. They want to see pictures of you and your family, your marriage certificate, pictures of your house, pictures of your children, and so forth. For your first one, if you've never done it before, a little bit more complicated because the immigration will come and speak to you, will speak to your neighbours, will say, does John Smith live here?
It happened with me.
Yeah, etc. And that always happens on the first occasion. So the first one is really, really important.
Yeah, and they came to our house. Like
Yes.
there were two immigration officers.
Yeah.
They talked with the neighbors. They took their interviews and everything.
Yeah, so it's always a good idea to have good neighbours. Keep in touch with your neighbours. Be nice to them because one day you might just need their help.
So yeah, so you have people with visa services
Yeah,
regarding
we do that as well.
marriage and retirement and everything. So,
Yes.
so yeah, it's great to talk to you, John, once again, because it's good to know legal stuff.
Yes.
Because most of the people just get information online,
Yeah.
and sometimes it can be confusing.
I see so many Facebook posts and so many people commenting. I could spend days replying to those posts to say you're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong. If you have a legal problem, get the information from a lawyer. There's many good lawyers around Thailand. Of course you're free to come to us, you're free to go to anybody, but get professional advice. In the long run you're going to get the correct advice and it's probably going to save you time, effort and money.
Sure. Okay, nice to meet you, John. It's nice to know about it. Hopefully we will meet again and talk more about more stuff. But for now, if somebody wants to get some legal help in Thailand, this is the place, Anglo Siam Legal in Pattaya and Issan Lawyers in Korat. You can get in touch and John will be there to help you.
Thank you, Sam.
So in the end, I just hope that you found this video informative. If you found this video informative, do give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more such videos about Thailand and information regarding Thailand, and do check out Issan Lawyers and Anglo Siam Legal. If you have some legal queries, you can just contact them. I will give their contact information in the description and the comment section of this video, so you can talk to them if you have some legal queries. And anyway, I talked to them. I talked to John because like Issan Lawyers is like one of the most recommended law firm over here in Issan. So that's how I got to know about them. And John was kind enough to spare his time to like have a little bit conversation with me for this video. So yeah, if you are interested in legal queries or legal information, you can check out Issan Lawyers and Anglo Siam Legal. Anyway, for now I will end this video over here, but I will see you in the next video. Have a great day ahead. I will see you in the next video. Till then, peace.